this comes to a really important part about ChatGPT, which is that it's not about your website only anymore. And it never was, you know that, but ChatGPT even more so judges you by the pages you don't own. So, I mean, this is pretty simple, right? If somebody's saying that they're the best, you're not really gonna trust them. If other people are, and you get votes of confidence in you, then you're gonna trust them more. It even goes back to the original idea in SEO of PageRank, but it's moving towards this idea of mentions. So already we have Ahrefs saying mentions matters more than backlinks. All kinds of stuff, right? So the idea is super simple. It's just, how often do people mention you, right? When they're talking about the best coffee for this, how often do they actually mention you? And so this becomes a very important part of AI SEO, is thinking about the overall sphere, especially on websites, right? These crawlers are basic, right? They're crawling websites more than anything, but they're also crawling Reddit, Facebook groups, things like that. So there's a social element of it too. But this idea of a mention is the new currency of the internet. So how do you figure out who's getting mentioned and how to increase mentions? How do we show up in AI? Well, we've created an internal tool that has been very useful for us here that allows us to get some level of source data, fan out data, things that we have been talking about, all kinds of stuff. And we built it with AI and data for SEO, so it's fairly affordable. And so you can see here, it's tracking it on a daily basis. It gives us a lot of nice data across different AIs and even ChatGPT's carousel. So lots of cool stuff here, compares it with competitors and everything like that. But what's more important than any of this is the citation sources.
So what you can do here is you can see, okay.
Right? So what you can do here is you can see, okay, what sources is ChatGPT or Claude or anyone else pulling from, and am I featured there? Am I mentioned? And so you can go through here and it will actually track where you have been mentioned and where you're absent and filter it by all kinds of fun stuff. So you have listicle/review, user generated content like Reddit and so on, references, brand sites. So oftentimes it just reviews brands. That's why it's very important that it can actually read your website. So if you're locked under JavaScript, that's a problem, and all kinds of stuff. So we can see some of the gaps that we still have, but we've been working on this account, so we've been filling them out pretty aggressively, making sure that everyone that can mention us does mention us. And then you can also see the fan out queries of all the searches behind the answers of all the different types of stuff. And then also we have Claude here, which is a little bit less consumer, but you know, I love Claude, so I want to confirm that I have good visibility on there too. And so essentially we're looking at all the sources, and you could do this manually, right? I'm not trying to pitch you, right? You look here and this tool's not for sale. But you look here and most of these results will give you sources. And so it seems to actually not be, am I going crazy? The source area is gone. Well, it gives you the sources normally for any query that you search. And so you can see what it's using and you can kind of reverse engineer this yourself. You have the queries. You could just, search these queries, best class 2026, and build a similar list. But what this allows us to do is that it allows us to actually grab the exact resources that are showing up the most too. So we even have like days seen. So out of the last 7 days, these have been seen 7 out of 7 times. So they're big queries. So we can get a lot of cool information. And so this is essentially a similar tool to all the AI visibility tools out there. But if you want to see this for yourself, I can just do it for you. I'm kind of curious about how all of this works. So if you want to, links in the description. You have either a full audit if you want me to do the SEO side or just the ChatGPT part. And I mean, again, I built this as a tool. So it takes me 1 click and maybe, $3 of API costs. So, unless I get thousands of people, I'm happy to run it for you, and you can put in your exact prompts on what you would want me to add into my system. But this will be very useful. And so even if you do it manually like this, and you just look at, okay, is this article here? Is it rendered by JavaScript? Yes, so Chat can pick it up. Now, does it mention our brand? If not, let's send them a product or something along those lines, and let's get mentioned there as best as we can. So let's reach out to, I'm not sure how to pronounce her name, so I'm not gonna try, but let's reach out to her We have our Instagram and our website right here. Her website probably has a contact form. Let's reach out and say, hey, we have a product for you to review or whatever else.